Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch weapons in Where Winds Meet. Start by using the number keys on your keyboard. First, make sure you have multiple weapons equipped. Then press 1, 2, 3 or 4 on your keyboard to instantly switch between those equipped weapons. Each number corresponds to a weapon slot, so pressing a different number will immediately change the weapon in your hands. Next, you can use the weapon wheel if it's available in your control settings. Hold the assigned weapon wheel key on your keyboard. If you're not sure which key it is, open Settings, go to Control and check the assigned button. Once the weapon wheel appears on the screen, move your mouse to highlight the weapon you want, then release the key to switch to the weapon. After that, you can also switch weapons through the inventory menu. Press the I key to open your inventory. Here, you will see all the weapons you currently own or have equipped. Now, select the weapon you want to use and equip it manually. Once equipped, close the inventory and your character will switch to that weapon. If you are playing with a controller on PC or console, you can switch weapons using the D-pad. Simply press left or right on the D-pad to cycle through your equipped weapons. Each press will move to the next weapon slot, allowing you to switch quickly during combat. Then you can also use the weapon wheel with a controller. Hold the weapon switch button, which may vary depending on your controller layout. Once the wheel appears, move the right analog stick toward the weapon you want to select. After that, release the button to confirm and your character will switch to the selected weapon. Using these methods will help you switch weapons smoothly and quickly in Where Winds Meet, whether you are using a keyboard or controller. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.